Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your controller if it isn't working in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced on PC. If your Xbox, PlayStation, Switch Pro, or generic controller isn't being detected, or some of the buttons aren't responding correctly, follow these solutions one by one until the problem is resolved. Let's get started. Solution 1. Change the Steam input settings. First, open Steam. Go to your library and locate Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. Right-click the game and select Properties. On the left side, click Controller. Locate the override for Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced drop-down menu. Select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and check if your controller is working. If the issue continues, close the game and return to the same menu. This time, change the override setting to Disable Steam Input. Launch the game again and test your controller. Solution 2. Configure Steam controller settings. If your controller still isn't working, open Steam once again. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. Open the Controller section, then click Show Advanced Settings. Locate the External Gamepad Settings section. Here you should only enable the options that match the controller you're using. If you're using an Xbox controller, locate Steam Input for Xbox controllers and enable it. If it's already enabled, try disabling it instead and test the game again. If you're using a PlayStation controller, locate PlayStation Controller Support. First, try setting it to Not Enabled. If that doesn't work, change it to Enable in games without support and test the game again. If you're using a Nintendo Switch Pro controller or a generic controller, apply the same method by enabling or disabling the corresponding Steam Input option. If you're using an Xbox controller, you can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver, which may improve compatibility with some games. Final step after changing the controller settings, launch Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced again and test your controller. One of these settings should allow the game to recognize your controller correctly. Final result. That's all there is to it. Your controller should now work correctly in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PC gaming tutorials, controller fixes, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.